Against all odds, the unforgettable stand at Badr. In the second year after the migration to Medina, on the 17th of Ramadan, history paused in the valley of Badr. The Muslims were not marching toward war, at least not at first. They were a small community, still rebuilding their lives after leaving everything behind in Mecca. Many had lost homes, wealth, even family ties because of their faith. They were not an army of conquest, they were a community fighting simply to survive. When news spread that a powerful Meccan force was approaching, a reality struck. Nearly 1,000 warriors from Quraysh, armed with horses, armor, and experience, were advancing. The Muslims numbered only around 330 men. They had just 2 horses and a few camels shared among them. Some carried swords, others had little more than basic weapons. It was not a fair fight by any worldly measure. The night before the battle, the desert air was heavy with silence. Some companions slept lightly on the sand, others prayed in a small made of palm branches, better known as the site of Masjid Arish. Prophet Muhammad SAW stood in deep prayer. He raised his hands toward the sky and pleaded, "If this small group is defeated, there will be no one left to worship you." It was not fear for himself. It was fear that the message would be extinguished. Meanwhile, across the valley, the Quraysh camp was confident. They had numbers, strength, reputation. To them, this was a chance to crush a growing movement once and for all. Morning came. The sun rose over Badr like a witness to destiny. The battle began with traditional duels between champions. Then the full clash erupted. Sands wheeled, swords flashed, voices shouted takbir across the valley. What seemed impossible began to unfold. Despite exhaustion, hunger, and being outnumbered by nearly 3 to 1, the Muslims fought with discipline and unity. Their lines held firm. Their resolve did not break. Key leaders of the Quraysh fell one by one, shaking the morale of the larger army. By the end of the day, the unexpected had happened. A smaller force stood victorious. Around 70 of the Quraysh were killed and 70 were captured. Among those who fell were some of the fiercest opponents of Islam. The balance of power in Arabia shifted dramatically for the first time. The Muslims were recognized as a real and formidable community. But whether was war than a military victory. It was a spiritual declaration. It proved that strength is not only measured in weapons or numbers, it showed that unity, leadership, preparation, and faith can overcome overwhelming odds. It transformed a vulnerable community into a rising force. The companions who fought that day were forever honored in Islamic history. They were called Ahlul Badr, the people of Badr, a title of distinction. And the Valley of Badr, it became a sacred ground in memory, not because of the blood spilled, but because of the conviction displayed. Badr teaches us that courage is born from belief. Leadership requires humility and prayer. Preparation must meet trust in God. Even the smallest group can change the course of history. In the heart of the desert, beneath a burning sky, a message was written in the sands. When faith stands firm, numbers lose their meaning. And that is the story of the Badr War. Hopefully, the story can be useful and can be remembered as one of the most important story in Islam history. And hopefully, we can learn from this story. Syukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.